So guys, without further ado, let's jump right in. So we'll be taking a measurement from our shoulder to where you want your crop top to be at, okay? And make sure it goes straight across your bust and right under your bust, wherever you want it to be actually. And I actually have 16 inches, but 16 inches, 16 and a half. Okay, so you measure it out on your material. I prefer to measure it on a mannequin, but you can do that laying your material on the floor, and then you measure out the market and then you slash. You actually cut through. Let's do it. For some of us that like the lying down things, I had to still lay it down on the floor and show you how to measure out your measurements. So there we go. Make sure you measure straight across from your part A to your part B. Measure, 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 and then you mark and then you cut off. As you can see, the marriage has been divided, and then we have the top part and this is the bottom part. That's the remaining part of your polo. Make sure it's a polo. Make sure it has a little stretch to it. That way it's gonna work better. So we're going to use an existing shirt of ours. We're going to place it. You just have to look this time around. Based on how small the material is, we just have to place it strategically, and I'm going to show you how right now. Take your time, arrange it so that both the front part and the back part would be aligned before you do your cutting. You can see it's always good to do it on a smooth surface. Mine is dancing around, but then what can I do? What can the righteous do? For the lower part of the top, we'll be folding an inch and then stitching across for our elastic band. Same thing for the top part of the lower. That's for the short also. Okay, so let's do it. So next we'll be joining it and stitching it, and then we'll put in the elastic. Let's